Hi everyone, my name is Evie Rodriguez and I'm currently a senior at Los Fresnos High School. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the benefits of everyone learning CPR along with an AED throughout their lifetime. I'm going to be using the topical descending organizational pattern, and I'm going to be starting off with the most important factors and making my way down to the least important factors of why everyone should learn how to perform CPR along with an AED. CPR stands for cardiopulmonary resuscitation, and it is a procedure that is a combination of rescue breathing and adequate chest compressions. CPR is to help reactivate the heart to get it to start pumping blood throughout the body. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation is not only for medical emergencies, but for trauma emergencies as well. CPR is done when you've come across a patient who does not have a pulse and is not breathing. CPR is done in order to bring this person back to life, but sometimes it's not always effective. The American Heart Association provided the public with information about the importance of CPR. CPR is only helpful to a patient who is pulseless and not breathing. These people are in need of urgent care. They will not likely survive if they are deprived from circulation and oxygen for more than 6 minutes. The emergency medical services usually take a while to respond to calls for many reasons, such as delay in traffic and/or climate issues. As the pulseless apneic patient is awaiting for EMS to respond to the scene, there is quite a while where the victim is not receiving care, and this is how a bystander can help increase the person's chance of survival by 10%. There are many AEDs provided in almost every public place, and I believe that everyone should also be taught how to use an automated external defibrillator, because this will help send electrical shocks to the person's heart in order for it to start up again. This is not a difficult device to manage, but it requires some knowledge on how to properly use an AED, and also where to properly place the pads for defibrillation to analyze the heart rhythm. This is where it is important for everyone to be taught how to perform CPR with an AED in their lifetime in order to help lives just in case of an emergency, to where no certified or licensed medical personnel can be available. I believe classes should be taught throughout the community by your local fire and EMS stations, and as well as mandatory classes in schools that are taught by the health teachers. I think these classes should be taught in order to increase someone's chance of survival. The reasons I believe that everyone should learn CPR are as follows. Cardiovascular diseases are the #1 killer in the United States. They can happen at any time and anywhere. And if someone nearby knows how to perform CPR, they can help them survive this heart attack or cardiac arrest. My next point is how you cannot always count on EMS to arrive immediately. There's always going to be some type of delay when dealing with EMS or fire calls. This is not because they do not feel like doing their job, but it is due to traffic and weather conditions. So while waiting for EMS to arrive, you can be performing CPR in order to increase the person's chance of survival by not delaying basic life support. Another reason is for someone to provide CPR in an immediate manner. This will help the victim receive oxygen to the brain and other vital organs. When a victim is provided with this oxygen at an early time than what EMS can provide, this will increase the patient with a full recovery after EMS takes over. This gives the victim a double chance of recovering and surviving. The last reason on why everyone should learn CPR is to teach others and encourage them to learn CPR. Teaching people how to perform CPR will help the community, because the more people who know CPR, the more likely a bystander will interact and help save a victim that is pulseless and not breathing. The more CPR is taught and known, the more chances of survival in victims all over the country will increase tremendously. These are the reasons why everyone should be given the chance to learn CPR. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed my presentation.